Hello everyone, welcome to another Bitcoin review. We're gonna talk about Bitcoin in this one. Nothing too much changed from our last video on Monday, but I feel like on the lower time frames especially I've got some stuff to talk about and some potential low time frame game plans. Alright, before we get into that, please leave a like on the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're trying to hit 10k subs. So subscribe if you haven't already, leave a like. Thanks to Bybit for sponsoring these videos. Link is in the description. If you use the link, you get access to my Discord group, get Coin Market Manager for free, and get up to $30,000 in bonuses. Okay, so keeping it short, but head over to the description if you want to know more. Leave a like and subscribe. All right. Now, Bitcoin. So from the last video, right, nothing too much happened, as I said. We've been trading basically within these inside bars, right, since what was it? Since Sunday, okay? What I mean with inside bars is if you take a look at the Sunday candle and mark out the high and the low, right? We haven't traded... we haven't closed a candle on the daily above or below Sunday high and low. Okay, so we're still trading within those boundaries. We're still we're getting small bodied candles, right? And we're just chopping in the middle of the range, right? A good way to sort of see this price action, right, is, well, obviously after a time of consolidation, there's going to be a time of expansion, right? Now, a good thing to do when you get this, okay, when you get these inside bars, is just simply wait for a close above or below the level, right? If we close above, the retest usually is a buy to trade it higher. If we close below, the retest is usually a good sell to trade it lower. Okay, so if we take a look on the lower time frames to these levels, right, what would that mean? That would simply mean wait for a break above here, right, to trade it higher, probably towards this liquidity, these stops up here, or wait for a break below here and the close. That's important, okay, to trade it lower, well, obviously towards these lows and potentially lower. Now, it's important to note that you, in this way of seeing this, you must wait for a close, okay? Why? Because as you can see on this week, for example, we did close some, well, we didn't close an hourly above it, but yeah, if you zoom in, obviously you close some candles above there. But what those are just for is to grab liquidity, okay? So a big wick to the upside, but instantly closed back below. And we barely swept these lows, which makes me think that some downside here on the lower time frames towards these lows could be next. Okay, the highs have been taken and the lows are still resting down here, especially if you don't take this level as the low, but if you simply take this level as the lows, okay? There, then this low and this low, okay? So highs taken into supply, sideways price action, right? That led to the down move, swept the highs into that level, rejected, and now we're chopping in the middle of the range. What's the next logical move for Bitcoin here? In my opinion, well, another move to the downside towards these lows, okay? At least these lows, after that, probably these lows, right? So knowing our bias, right, and knowing that we're bearish unless, as I said, we reclaim this range high level, we can use that to form a plan on the lower time frames. Okay, so let's zoom in all the way towards the hourly. And what we really like using for these kind of situations is the OTE. So draw the OTE from the high to the low, right? OTE. Look where local liquidity is resting, right? What are the most recent highs and lows? Well, the highs are these up here. Let's mark it out with a dotted line, okay? And the lows down here and down here, right? So what would that mean? If we sweep these highs, right, into OTE, lining up with this key range level, look how beautifully they line up, the OTE with this range level, right? Clean invalidation on this ID is above this OTE area. So sweep the highs, what would that mean? Clean invalidation, clean draw on liquidity to the other side, to the downside. So clean short setup, boom, invalidation and target down there, okay? 2.3R setup, high probability, beautiful, okay? If you get above here, right, obviously this ID is invalidated, that's all good. And at that point, we probably go for here. Unless we sweep the highs again and close back below here, then the same plan applies. We're still bearish, targeting these lows. All right, so that's gonna be it for today. This is my plan. I'm personally looking for downside here. So mainly looking for shorts. All right, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.